Okay, I don't think I'm getting time. Instructions on how to enter fraction answers. Okay, so we do a. For example, if your answer is 7/3/16, enter the answer. The whole number part 7. 7. The fraction part of your answer is 3/16. If your answer is a simple fraction, 5/11, enter 0 in the whole number box. Oh, okay, so 0. The fraction's 5/11. 5/11. Okay. I am ready. Alright, I don't think. Oh, that was 2 questions. Okay, right. No, you can't see it here, but it says it. Yeah, okay. Does it tell you about? Oh, does it tell you I'm correct? Yeah, system score is 20 off 450. Should I do this in desktop site? Could be easy. No, that's fine. Okay. Answer a mixed number, so it's 5. Oh, mixed number. So you want the whole number. So mixed number. What am I doing here? What's number? What's one of the questions? It's number 3. So mixed number is you do. Write it down first. You do 5 times 4 plus 3 over 4. You get 23/4. So I guess the whole number, the fraction. I need to go back to the instructions. It's 23/4, but let me see. I'll go back here. Yeah. Wait, what did it say before? I need to go back to the... It's 23/4, but I forgot how to. Oh, that's improper fraction. Answer a mixed number. I did not read the question. It's half of 5/3/4. So you just divide 23/4 by 2. So you get 23/8. Oh, you want a mixed number. All right, gotcha. So you got a. So the improper fraction is 23/8. Yep. The improper fraction is 23/8, and then you want it to be mixed number, so it's 2, because 8 times 2 is 16. 23 minus 16 is 7. So 2 and 7/8. I see. English terms in math. Double check this. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 7. Yeah. So that's my question. Wow. This is. I don't know. This is not really efficient. Having to answer it twice, but it's fine. Question 4. What do you get when you double 1 and 5/8? You make it into a improper fraction first. It's easier. 8 plus 5 is 13, and you have it over 8. And then you multiply it by 2. You get 26 over 8. And you want it in mixed number. So that's 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. So you get 3 and 2 eighths. You simplify it. It's 3 and 1 4. Yep. You do it faster. Actually, if I'm not talking, that's true. This is a probability question. 5. Half the marbles in a box are red. So let's write red. Half of the marbles. So we said red is 1/2. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the third are white. And the other 6 are blue. So blue, there's 6. How many marbles are there in the box? So you used. I can use like X. I can use X. So you want to find them, how many marbles are there in the box? So that's X. Yeah, equals to X. And then you know 1/2 of them is red. So you do 1/2 X plus 1/3 X is the amount of white marbles. And then you add 6. That doesn't make. Probably how many berries? Yeah. This is. Alright, this. And the other 6 are blue. There are white, 6 are blue. How many marbles are there in the box? So 1/2 is red, 1/2 is white. The other 6 are blue. Huh. I mean, I can find the probability of picking a marble that's not blue. Let's see, red is 1x. Okay, so yeah, so you want x to be the amount of marbles that's there in the box. So 1/2 x is the amount of red marbles. Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. So I had it. X equals to the amount of marbles that are there in the box. So you set that equal to 1/2 x, which is the amount of red marbles, plus 1/3 x. That's the amount of white marbles, and 6. You add plus 6. That's blue. So you do 1/2 x plus 1/3 x plus 6 equals to x. So you do, you add 1/2 and 1/3. That is 3 plus 2 over 6. That's 5, 6. 5, 6x. So 1/2 plus 1/3 is 5, 6. Yep, 3, 6 plus 2, 6. It's 5, 6. Equals x. And then subtract 5, 6 from both sides. You get, really, this is taking too long. If I do it like this, 16x equals to 6. So you know x is 36. Because 1/6 of 36 is 6. So you know x is 36. Right. I need to submit both. I need to do both parts. So you can say red is 18 marbles. white has, what, 12 marbles, and blue has 16. Double check, 18 plus 12 is 30, plus 6 is 36. So find the probability of picking a marble that is not blue. You said it over 36. That's not blue, so it's red and white. So that's 18 plus 12, that's 30. Answer in fraction. You gotta simplify it, so you get 30 over 36. Divide by 6 is 5, 6. So, yep, I had to pay at the end. Just forgot to set it to X. I was like, what? Yeah, you see when I take a picture of my work. I spent so much space. I literally just wrote down 1/2 x plus 1/3 x plus 6, and I was like, what? And then I was like, oh, I need to set it to equal to x. I set that at the start. Yep. Next one. Number 6. How do I check my score in this? I assume it's 50. Yeah, that's what it says here. Okay. 4 times what number is 15? So you do 4x equals to 15. The number is x that you want to find. 4 times what number? So 4x equals to 15. So you define x. X is equal to 15 over 4. Yep, you divide 4 on both sides, and you want it as a mixed number. So that's 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3, 15. You get 3 and 3/4. Yep. Yep. Solid. Now we're doing decimals here, or all mixed numbers still. So you want 7% of 250. My strategy for this is I just find 1% of 250. That's like, you divide 250 by 100, and that will be like 2.5, I'm pretty sure. Well, using a calculator. 2.5, right? I'm pretty sure it's 2.5. 1, 2. 2 decimal places, 2 left. Yep, 2.5. So you want 7%. 7% is just 2.5 times 7. And this is doing it in my head. No, I don't want to do it in my head. I just want to write it down. 2.5 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. You carry the 3 to 14. That's 17.5. So you want it as a mixed number. Oh, okay, never mind. So that's 17 and a half. Okay. Yep. Yeah, when I'm tutoring kids, I wouldn't tell them the answer. I would just ask them what they think that they should do in the problem. This is just me getting to the answer. If it's a test, since it's a test. What is 3/4% of 300? Answer in decimal. Okay. Do this in my head, no. I mean, you just do 0.075. Is there an easier way to do this? I know 1%. I should just do 1%. 1% is 3. Right? You know 1% is 3. And a 4% is just a fourth of that. That's 3/4. Yeah. 1% is 3. 1/4% is just 3/4. So 3/4 is just 3 times 4, no, 3 over 4 times 3. That would be 9 over 4. You want it in a decimal. Oh, okay, that's why. It's like 2.25. Doing it in my head. Because 4 times 2 is 8. 0.25 times 4 is 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9. That's my way of getting it. But you can also do 0.075 times 300. Cool. Alright, Henry has 3 times as much money as Martha. So you do the x strat. So you know 3x, let's say 3x is Henry's money. And Martha's money is x. Together they have $48. Yep, this is number 5 prepared me for this. So you know they have $48 together. So this 3x is Henry's money plus Martha's money is x. So it's 3x plus x is 48. We can do 4x is 48 to simplify, and then you get x is 12. I don't know what the question is. Okay, Henry has x. Henry has 3x. That's so you get x equals 12. That's Martha's money, amount of money, and Henry is just 3x, so it's 36. Yep. Free candies, number 10. Number 5th of the way. Okay. Free candies cost 25 cents. I hope I'm still recording. Let me check my recording. Okay. The camera's slightly not showing my face. Oh, it might be loud. Sorry. I don't know because I have my headphones. It's on a different side. The sound. So free candies cost 25 cents. Okay. So just find how much. So each candy costs us. Let's say x. Free x is 25 cents. Let's see. X is each candy is 25 or 3 cents. How much can you buy for $1.50? Alright. I should not write it like this. Alright, it's fine. I mean, what I would do is, 12 candies is $1. I don't know why I'm doing free x. It's kind of more complicated, but 12 candies is $1. Because 3 times 4 is 12. 25 cents times 4 is $1. 100 cents. So your 12 candies is $1, and you add 2 more candies. 2 candies is 50 cents. So you get 14 candies. It's $1.50. Yep, $1.50. Yeah. Double check. Free candy is 25 cents. 12 is $1. Free candy is 25 cents. Yep. It's actually 6 candies. It's 50 cents. 3 times 2, yeah. That's what I meant. 6. So you get 18 candies. It's $1.50. Double check this in my head. 3 times 4 is 12. That's $1. Plus 6. That's 18 candies for $1.50. But if we want to show our work, and go more in depth. Yeah, I can do x equals 25 over 3. That might be much harder to do. This is number 11, a 6-foot tall man. So I like to draw pictures, draw a line. This is 6 feet. Some guy. Yep, stick figure, 6 feet. Casts an 8-foot shadow. Right, draw the shadow on the ground. That's 8 feet. This is like, I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. How tall is a tree that casts a 20-foot shadow? Oh, this is ratios, okay. So then you draw a tree. I don't want to draw a tree. Let's draw a line, 12 feet. Might be more, 20 feet. Might be more work, 20 feet. Yep, 6-foot tall man casts 8 feet shadow, 20 feet tree. No, 20 feet shadow. So why I read the question. I'm trying to find x, which is how tall is the tree. So you do a 6 over 8. Use the ratios x over equals to x over 20. You could do cross multiply. I'll just do that. 6 times 20 equals 8x. I can explain why you cross multiply works. I guess I can do that. You divide 6, you multiply 6 over 8 by 20 over 20, and then you multiply x over 20 by 8 over 8. That's why you can cross multiply, because the denominator is the same, 160. Right, so you just set the numerators equal to each other. 6 times 20 equals 8x. That's 120 equals 8x, and x is 15. Doing it in my head, because 8 goes into 12 once. Yeah, just doing it in my head. Okay. This is not during a session. I should just speed run. Yep, 8 times 15 is 120, plus 40, 8 plus 4 is 12. Yep. X is 15 feet. Use your units, and yep, they gave it to me. I'm trying to speed run. Okay, I'm gonna try speed run from now on. Fraction decimal computation answers. This is number 12. I already used so much space for the first questions. I almost used one sheet. Fraction decimal computation questions. Please show each step neatly. Piece of paper. Answer in the following question: decimals, mixed number, or proper fractions. Yep. What was the first part considered? I don't know. Okay, so I'll just do it when it comes. You add fraction. Okay, this is pretty fun. 2/3 plus 1/2. You write down the question, and or I don't know. You write it down the paper that the question's in on the test. You do combine, you try and make it so it's like terms. Alright, just do it in my head. 4 6 plus 3 6. That's 7 6. Yep. So you want in fraction. This is improper fraction, so I can just do 7 over 6. Right? Yep. This number 13. Right, it's number 13. 7 1/2 minus 2 and 3/4. I like turning them into improper fractions first. 14. 15 over 2. 14 plus 1, yep. Minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna make it 30 over 4. minus 11 over 4, that would be 19 over 4. Do you want it as a mixed number? Okay. That would be 4 and 3/4, 16 plus 3. Yep, that's right. Let's check this. Yeah, I like double checking stuff. But usually I just keep going if I'm timed. Yep, I think it looks right. Yep. Yeah, by the time I usually just go back to my answer and check some answers. I have space for 14. Multiply the fractions, I also make them into improper fractions. That would be 9/4. Yep. Times 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, 16 over 3. You just combine, you just multiply each. Oh wow, 9 times 16, I can do that in my head. I quit, 144. 9 times 6, 54, I'm pretty sure. Why am I doubting myself? No, it's 54. 144 over 12, oh that's 12. Interesting. You want it in fractions? What? It really comes out to 12. How do you want me to answer in fractions? 12 over 1? 2 over 4. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Times 15, 16 over 3. You can also like simplify. Like 3 crosses out. 1, 3, 1, 4. So I'm just gonna put 12 over 1. Yep. Okay. It's tricky. Answer in fractions. But I know it's 12. 12 over 1, right? Yeah, that works. Divide fractions. Okay, I'll make space for 15 right here. Divide fractions is, I also make it 6 over 1. You divide it, make 2 times 3. Just, there goes my fan, air filter. 2 times 3 is 6, 7/3. So when you divide, you flip the fraction. Reciprocal, right? That's what you call it, yeah. 6 times 3 over 7 is 18 over 7. Can I simplify that? No. That's simplified. Yep, I think that's right. 18 over 7. Yep. Decimal addition, interesting. Alright, for number 16, I am just gonna just write it as 3.00. Do that addition block thing. Get 2.36 and 0.67. 6 plus 7 is 13. You carry the 1. That's 10. You carry the 1 again, and you get 6. 6.03. Oh, I have space for 17. 17. Okay. 7.03. I'm gonna do this again. Minus 1.129. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Do you carry the 1? I think you carry the 1. You carry the 1 over, that's 0. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done subtraction this way. 10 minus 1 is 9. I usually just use a calculator for this. 10 minus 1 is 9. You carry the 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. We take away a 1 from the 7. So you get 5.901. Double check it by adding it back in. Yeah, let's just do that. Yeah, 9 plus 1 is 10. You carried it 1. So you add an extra 1. That's right. 9 plus 1 is also 10. You carried a 1. That's 7. That's right. 5.901. Yep. Am I recording still? Hopefully I am. Yep. If not, then that's an F or a RIP. 18. Alright, so we do 9.3 times 1.27. Multiplication, I'm just going to do that. I don't know what you call it, that thing. You write 9.30 times 0 times 7. 1. 3 times 7, 21. Carry 2. 18, that's 20. 2010. Yep, that's right. $65. 63 plus 2. I was looking at the 18. Looking at 9 times 2, I don't know why. Okay. 0, 1, 21, 63, plus 2, 65. 0, 6, 9 times 2, 18. And then you do 930 for the 1. 0, 1, 1, carry the 1. 14, 18, carry the 1 again. 11. It's 4 decimal places because there's 4 or 3. How do you want me to do it? It's just decimals less than 1 should be preceded with a 0. Okay, yeah. Yeah, 9 times 9.3 times 1. And we'll take the first 11.811. That's the first answer. I always double check 0, 1, 2. Yep, 18, 60, 930. 1. Wait, yeah, confusing myself there. 18. Yep. So part B is less than 1 for sure. I'll do 0.002 this way. Times 3.1. Oh yeah, that's easier. 0.002. And then 6. 0.0003 zeros. If that's 4 decimal places. Yep, because there's 3 and 1. Yep, that should be right. So that should be 0.0062. Yep, that's right. So I'll take my answers. Zero point 0062. Yep. I'm trying to submit one of these so you don't you don't get spam with two forms. This is number 19. Decimal division. Oh, interesting. What's easier? What I do here is I just times both sides by 10, and I do my long division. I like doing the free and the 82.2. Yeah, it's the same concept. So 2, 6, 7 and 4. I would check this. Or I can do it backwards. 3 times 4 is 12. 21, 82. Yeah, that's right. 27.4 should be the answer. I need to like revert it back. Replace. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's 2.74. 0.3. 8.22. You get 2.74. Right there. Let me redo this. Let me see. Apparently it's wrong. You need 3 decimal places.
Like on you, 1.
I mean, it is 27.4. I'm doing this right. 3 times 2. 8 times.
Wait, aren't these all going to be?
2.740. No, 2.74. Oh no, it is 27.4. Yeah, I don't know why. What?
You should get those big sound patches.
I mean, because it's still the same thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, you don't flip the decimal places back. Makes sense. 27.4 times 27.4 divided by 3 is 8.22. Yep, it's the same thing. Okay, yeah, that works. Yep.
It's better than the regular.
I don't know what I was thinking. You just flip the. No, you don't. Yeah. Okay. Since it's the same ratio, you don't do anything to 27.4. Alright, 20 is decimals less than 1 should be less than 0. Makes no sense. Decimals less than 1. Okay. 3/8. I want 3/8 to be a decimal. So I do 8 divided by 3. No, long division 8 and then 3. I do that. I put 30. It goes into 33 times and 60. 7 times, 56, and 45 times. Yep. 8.375. Round to the thousandth place. It's been a while. For that topic, 11 goes into 20 once, goes into 98 times. How long is this? Goes into 11. That's a repeating decimal. Pretty sure thousands is free. Yeah, 0.18. 1818. Right, yeah, 11, 90, 88, 20, 11, loop, goes on forever. That'll be 0.182 because you round up. 1818, you round up to 182. Thousandths is 3 decimal places. Hundredth is 2. And tenths is 1. Number 21. It's not 9 plus 10. Let's see. Convert 2.45 to a fraction. So that's 245 over 100. That's divided by 5. That's 9 over 20. Okay, yeah, here we go. 2, 9, 20. It can't be simplified even. Simplify more. See what else. What's next? 3.5% to a fraction. Because you know 3% is 100. 3 out of 100. So 3.5 out of 100. Divided by 5, I guess. That's 0.7. Wait, to a fraction. Oh, okay. I'm doing it 0.7. .08. Let's times it by 10. That's 35 over 1,000. And then you divide by 5 to get your 7. Oh, you can do 0.7 also. You can also do 0.7 over 20. And then times 5 with 7 over 100. Yeah, that. 7 over 200. 1,000 divided by 5. 7 over 200, yep. Oh, you want a whole number? That's 0, right? That's 1. No, it's 0. It's less than 1. Yeah, 3.5 over 100 just times 2. That also works too. That's fast. So you put 0 for the whole number, and then because it's not 1 yet, so 7 and 200. Yep. 2. That's just fun. It's been a while since I did this much math in one sitting. It's been, I don't know how long it's been. Almost an hour. That's not right. You're done with the computation section of the quiz. The requirement to show us your steps on paper ends here. Okay. At the end of your quiz, please take a snapshot of your work on the paper. Yeah. Of course, it's always a good idea to write your outlier steps. It's what we always encourage our students to do. I always know the need to send the steps to us. It's fine. I can show you my process. 2/3 of a pound of candy. I mean, I can do X again. Yeah, should I do that method? I could do 2/3 X. Yeah, just do 2/3 X. Is 64, 0.64. And then you want to find the 1/1/2 X. That works too. Yeah, I think that's the best way, right? 0.64. Yeah, 1 1/2 pound is 3 over 2. So I want to find 3 over 2x. So you know x is... No, we don't. I guess that's fine. You know x is 0.64 times 3 over 2. You got a reciprocal do the reciprocal. X is 0.64, yep. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Yep. Trying to find 3, I have x equals question mark. No, x is, yeah, this is the best way to do it. 0.64 times 3 is 19.2. 1.92. Yeah. Divide by 2, that's like 0.96. 12, 18, yep. So you know x is 0.96. Oh, you wanted money. X is 96 cents. So you do 3/2 times 96 cents. Oh, I'm doing this in my head again. 2.88 over 2. 3 times 6 is 18. 27. Yep. Plus 1. Divided by 2 is 1.44. Yep. $1.44. That's correct. Yep, that's the way to do it. Use the x. Or that's my way of doing it. I don't know if it's the best way. I think so. Yeah. Price of the tape is 12. Increased by 3, so you do the 15 minus 12 over 12 to get a percent increase. That's 3 over 12. That's 1/4. That's 25%. Yeah, you increase it by 3, and 3 is 1/4 of 20 of 12. That's 25. 25%. Yeah. What's this? 24. Alright, let's do this. 24. A student has an average of 84 on 3 exams. Average. So you do 84 times 3. That is 252. So 252 is out of 3. That's the average is 84. And that student scores a 92. You plus 92 to 252, and then you add 1 to get 4. It's 344. Thinking, let me try. 84 times 3 is 252. 252 over 3 is 84. You add 92 for the next one, and you make it 344, and then divide by 4. That would be 8, 6. Yep, 32. 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 86. Yep, it goes up by 2 points. That could be another question in that question. Yeah. Now we're doing the greatest to largest. I mean, I'm still showing my work. Yeah, that's fine. It's easier to do in scrap paper. You know, 55% is. Let's easier to do. It's easier to do this using decimals. 55 is 0.55. 100%. Smallest to largest. Okay, 1. 100% is 1. 1.1. They have 0.1, and then you got 0.1. You got 0.09. 1 out 13. How much is that? Yeah, okay, yeah, I'll just do it. 13 over 100. 1300. Wow, that's kind of hard to do. 13 goes to 100 how many times? 7 times, I think. Yeah. Goes into 90. It's like a 0.7. Yeah, 0.07, right? Yeah. I mean, 13 goes into 10 0 times. That's the logic here. Yeah. 1 out of 13, because 1 out of 10 is 0.1. So it has to be less than 0.1. Oh yeah, you can do that too. It's 0.07, so it's 1.076, something like that. Yeah, without a calculator, okay. It's kind of hard. Oh no, it's fine. 1300. 3 times 7 is 91. 21. So you get 91, you get 90. 13 times 6 is just 6? Yeah, 6. 78. Yeah, so barely. Yep, so it's like 1.076. 1 out of 1. So you get negative 1. 11 out of 13. Ooh, just that. So you do 13. You put in 1. It's pretty high. I mean, I don't have to do that. Okay, so let's do this. Negative 1 is the smallest. How do I do this? Click it? Oh, I'll click it first. Oh, okay. Oh, I select it here. Negative 1. And then negative 0.1 is next. Wait, that's not. Where is it? Here. And you go to 0. And again, just approximate. I don't need to figure it out. 0.1 should. 0.09 is next. And then 0.1. And then 55% is next. 0.55. And then 11 out of 13, which should be next. I don't need to calculate. Oh, I mean, I could. It's pretty high. It's almost 1. 2 dirts shy. And then 1. 100% is 1. And then 1 and 113 is 1.07, so that should be the next one. And then 1.1 is the most.
Can you do that?
Yep. Double check if I input it right here. Okay. Simplify. I don't want to do this here. Do it here. I have space to do it here. I'll just write it down first on my piece of paper. Oh, I could rewrite it. The x cubed goes up. The y to the second. Y squared goes down. And then there's another y squared. C to the 4th. C to the 5th. Right? Then we're doing this right. X. Answer is x, a, y. Oh, you just need to find a, b, c. Okay. So x10 is the final one. Because the 3 goes up. 7 plus 3. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. 7 plus 3. You can multiply it.
Alex?
Y is 0. No, y is 4. Wait, how do we do this? Because the 2 goes down, it's y is 4. On the bottom, now it's negative 4. Yeah. X goes up. 2 goes down, yep. Let's see. C4 over C5. That's 1 over Z. So X is 10. Or A is 10. Yeah, X is 10. A is 10. Y is negative 4. That's B. Right, this is negative. I'm typing it. C is negative 1. So 1 over Z is Z to the negative 1. Yeah. Double check this. What am I looking at? 10.
Don't infect my family page with that.
Yep. 10. Better 10 negative. This one. Negative 4. Negative 1. Okay. Simplify. 27. Simplify. So you just do. Oh, you want A and B. Okay. Write down the question first. My paper. 3 cubed is 27. Yep, 9 times 3. T. This you multiply the exponent. 2 times 3 is 6. Divided by T is 5. So 27 is A. B is 5. Double checking this. Looks right. Yep. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. That's a catchphrase. Simplify. You want to. What do you call this? 2x squared. Look at this. 2x squared minus 6xy minus 3x squared y plus 9xy squared minus x plus 2xy. Yep, combine your like terms. So we call this quadratic equations, I think. That's the term. Let me check if I did it right. 2x squared minus 6xy. Yeah, I did it right. Plus 9xy squared. Yeah, I'm confusing myself. 2x squared minus 6xy. Yep, minus 3x squared y plus 9xy squared minus x plus 2xy. That's right. Alright, so, yep, combine like terms. The first one is 2x squared, and then what do you want next? xy. xy is minus 4xy. So right, negative 4. minus x, and negative plus, well, it's still minus. It's minus 3x squared y, so we want negative 3 plus 9xy squared, so 9 at the end, so you get, once again, it's 2, negative 4, negative 1, negative 3, 9. 29. Evaluate the expression when x is 6. Write that down. Y equals negative 2. So you do 2 times 6 minus 3 times 6. I can do it in my head, but I just write everything down. 2 times 6, negative 2 minus y squared is negative 2. And then you cube the whole thing. Alright, let's do it here. Yep, 2x, that's 12. 3x is 18 plus 12. Negative 24. I just want the expression, okay. So that's like negative 6. 18 minus 24. Yeah, 18. 2 negative 4 times 6. 18. Yep, negative 6. And then this tricky part here, minus y squared over minus y squared. And it's negative 2. I remember PEMDAS. Well, it's still negative regardless, because negative 2. Oh, yeah. Y squared by itself is 4, but it's still minus 4. And you want that whole thing cubed. It'll be 12 minus negative 10 inside, and then you cubed it. 12 minus, still minus 100. That'll be negative 88. Negative 2 cubed is 4. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. You cube it, it's 100. Yep, sounds right. Negative 88 sounds right to me, yep. Yeah, you do y squared first and then you subtract it. PEMDAS, right? PE, Eth exponent, yeah. Parentheses, exponent. And now we're here in geometry. Or is it? I mean, yeah, you know, yeah, sort of geometry. X plus 2x plus 54. You know the angles add up to 180 in a triangle, so you do the smallest angle is x, maybe, is it? 3x plus 54 is 180. You do 3x equals 180 minus 54, that's 126. checking. Yep. X is 126 divided by 3. That's 42. So 42 is actually the smallest angle. Yep. Time to solve for X. This is 31. Solve for X. I might lay out the frame. No, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Solve for X. Put your answer in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest. Okay. So absolute value is always positive. So you do x minus 3 equals 5, and x minus 3 equals to negative 5. So x is 8 or negative 2. Yep. So negative 2 goes first, and 8. Yep. Negative 2 or 8. Solve for x. Okay. Put a fraction. Okay. There's two ways to do this. I can like factor out x. Yeah, I'll just do that. Yeah. X is 8x. X times ax minus 6 equals 9. That doesn't work. Usually it's that worked. That didn't work because it's not equal to 0. So you gotta do ax squared minus 6x minus 9 equals to 0. And then you gotta find the correct terms to do this. I imagine 4 and 2 might work. Alright, let's write down in case 4x and 2x. How do you get 6? You do 3 and 3, does that work? Yes, 12 and 6. So you do minus 3 and plus 3. Yeah, there you go. You get, double check this, 4x, 2x, ax squared minus 12x plus 6x is negative 6x minus 9. Yep, that works. So yeah, 4x plus 3 equals to 0. And 2x minus 3 equals to 0. You get x equals to negative 3/4, and 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3/2. I'll check this. Minus 3 over 4. Write more work to clarify. Yep, divide by 4, divide by 2. Yep, sounds right. Yeah, it works. Ax squared minus 12x plus 6x minus 9. Yep. You want fractions. Negative 3 on top like that. Yeah, that works. Negative 3/4 and 3/2. So negative 3/4, 3/2. I use one sheet of paper. I know you can see this. Yeah. Or back and front. Wow. Or 32 questions. So I might just use 2 sheets of paper. Okay, 33. Okay. solve for x. There's two answers for this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna write down the question. X minus 4 equals to 5 over x. What I can do is times both sides by x. So you get x squared minus 4x equals to 5. Yeah, that works. Yeah. 5 over x times x is 5. Yep. X squared minus 4x. So you do x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. X minus 1 plus 5 should work. X squared minus x plus minus 5x plus 1x. Yeah. X plus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 1 equals to 0. X is negative 1. X minus 5 is 0. X equals to 5. You plug it in. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 over 1 is 5 over 5 is 1. Alright. Yeah. Negative 1 is negative 5 for both sides. Yep, that's right. So negative 1 and 5. Yep. So far it's 100. 100. My score's 100 so far. Let's see. 30, what number is this? 34. Oh, thank you for providing the quadratic formula because I can't remember it these days. Okay. Do I need it though? What do you want me to do? When 2 times 5x equals 3x, x equals to plus okay, that's the quadratic formula. You want me to find a, b, c. Okay, so write down the question. I can simplify 10x minus 6 equals to 3x cubed. You want me to find a, b, c. I need to use I don't know, do 3x squared minus 10x plus 6 is 0. 10x minus 6, 3x squared, subtract 10x plus 6 equals 0. Oh, it's standard form, right? That's the thing. It's like ax, right? Is this standard form? I think this is standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Is that what this means? I'll double check. Alright, so I have a is 3, b is negative 10, and c is 6. that what it's asking? And then find x. Free x. And x, you do, what can you do here? Three and two, that's 11, doesn't work. 1 and 6. Am I doing this right? 3x squared minus 10x plus 6. That's right, 10x minus 6. 3x and x. Oh, because you can't do the factor. So you gotta use the quadratic formula for this. It's kind of okay. That's why. Okay. 6, yeah, because 6 you can't do 1 and 6. Because that's 3 and 6. You can't do 3 and 2 because it's 9 and 2. So you gotta use the quadratic formula. X is a plus minus square root of b or c. Let me do that and plug it in and see if it works. A is 3 plus or minus square root of, but b standard form, right? Oh, it's been so negative b is 10 plus or minus b squared is 100. 4, 3, and 6. 2a is 3. Plus or minus 100 minus. I think my laptop just died. No, it's good. 4 times 3 is 12, times 6 is 72. It's 100 minus 72 in my head, that's 28. Over 6. Let's see. Yep, that's the quadratic formula. It's in that standard form. Yep, I'm gonna remind myself what the quadratic formula. It's been a while. Let's see. I was close. It was no wait, no, I had it. Ax squared plus bx plus c is the standard form. Why is it still wrong? B is not negative 10. Wait, yeah, I had it. How's it not working? I think I missed something. B is negative 10. I mean, I'll just put it down. I don't know why it didn't work in the formula. Yeah, 3, negative 10, 6. Oh, because it's not supposed to be like a concrete value. So I think that's right. Let's see. Oh, you want me to simplify it? Okay, that makes. Oh, okay. I see what you're trying to do. Yeah, so I have it. I have 10 plus or minus 100 minus 72 the square root. Okay, so it's a nasty number. So I get free. What? Oh, okay. I see what you're trying to say. Okay, yeah, this is okay. So it's 10. That's A actually, plus or minus square root 28 over 6. Yeah, it's a nasty number. That's perfect. It's a nice number, but no. A is 10. B is 28. C is 6. Simplify to lowest terms. Wait, so it is a nice number. Minus 4AC. 4 times 3 is 12, times 6 is 72. B is 10. Or B is negative 10. Negative 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 72 is 28. Or you want to simplify to lowest terms. Oh, I see. So you want me to do like 10 divided by 2 is 5. 28 is 14 over 3, something like that. Because I don't know what the square root of 28 is. Retrace my steps. 10x minus 6 equals 3x squared. Did I miss something? 3x squared minus 10x plus 6 equals 0. You do standard form ax squared plus bx plus c. Yeah. You know the a is free and the b is negative 10. And the c is 6. Constant. You put in the quadratic formula. Negative b. Oh, negative b. No, that's 10 here. Negative b is 10. Because b is negative 10. What? Negative b is negative 10, so it's 10. Plus or minus b squared is just mistyped. B squared is 100. Minus 4 times 3 is 12 times 6. That's 72. 100 minus 72 is 28. Yep. B is not 28. Simplify to lowest terms. Now 28 is 4, 7. That's 2 root 7. Oh, interesting. I see. 20. Oh, wow. Alright, let me do this. X is 10 plus or minus. 28 is square root of 4 times 7. Tricky. So you could, so basically it's 10 plus or minus 2 root 7 over 6. So you do 5, 3, and 1. And the 7's inside. Interesting. Yes, it's been a while. Square root of 28 is actually a clean number. It's 2 root 7. Yes. 10 plus or minus 2 root square root. So you actually want so you know A is 10. Because that's negative B. The B is in the square root at 7. Okay. 5 and C is free. You want to simplify it. It's 5. Why is it 5? 5, 7, 3. This one. Interesting question. Yep, I had the right idea. And purchase 5. It's taking me a long time. 10, 5, 2 root 7. Wait, no, I'm not doing this right. It's better to just separate as a fraction. No, that's right. 10 over 6 plus or minus 2 root 7 over 6. It's like 5/3. I have so much work for this question. Root 7 over 3. I'm just making this complicated for myself. No, it's right. 5 plus or minus negative 7 over 3. Root 7. 5 plus root 5 plus. Oh my god. Blue light filter. Yep, so A is 5. B is 7 and C is 3. Oh man. X is 5 plus or minus root 7 over 3. Yeah, that's right. There you go. So what's this? 35. So for x and y, this is fun. Systems of equations. So what I can do here is, it's an easy way to do this. What I like to do is get y by itself. Just write it down. 2x plus 3y equals 6. My mom just woke up. She works pretty early. See. Subtract. So you get negative 3x plus y equals to negative 9. Get y by itself, y equals to negative 9 plus 3x. So that's, let me separate 34 from 35. Let's see. Yeah, so you know y equals negative 9 plus 3x. And I just plug that in to one of the equations. how I like to do it. That's right. Let me double check. Negative 3x plus y equals 2 minus 2x minus 5x 3y minus 2y is y. 6 minus 5 is negative 9. Yep. Y equals negative 9 plus 3x. And then you just plug it in. You can just plug it in back into the equation that I just made. Negative 3x. Does that even make sense? No, that just make it 0, 0. Okay. So I would just instead do plug it into the 2y equation. So it's 2 times negative 3x 2 times y. 2 times negative 9 plus 3x. Or 3x minus 9, that works too. That's the same thing. Is it? I think it is the same thing. Yeah. Let's see. So that plus 5x is 15. Let me see. So you get negative 18. Just write it the right way. Plus 6x plus 5x is 15. Get negative 18 plus. You add 18 over. So you get 11x equals to 33. X is free. And then you plug back x into that equation. Negative 9 plus 3 times 3. Y is 0. Oh, interesting. That works because you plug in 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 0 is 6, yeah, for the first equation. And 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 0 is 15. Yep, x is free. Y is 0. Yep, locking it in. Yep. Where are we? 36. A collection of dimes. I hope the recording is still here. Okay. A collection of dimes and nickels has a total value of 1.65. Okay, so let's say D for dimes, the number of dimes, and N for the number of nickels. Wait. Okay, you know D plus N, the number of dimes and nickels is 20. D plus N is 20. You can do that, yeah. Or X and Y. I'm just going to do D and plus N here. How many of the coins are dimes? Okay. So you know that dimes is 10 cents. Nickels is 5 cents. And that equals $1.65. Okay, yeah, this is system equations also. Can I do, so we're trying to find D, that's 20 minus N. That's correct, yeah. D is 20 minus N. There's 20 coins in total, so 20 minus the number of nickels is the number of dimes. So you can do 10 times 20 minus N plus 5N is 1.65. So 200 minus 10N plus 5N is minus 5N. Minus 10N, 200 minus 10N 5n minus 5n is 1.65. You get 200. Wow, crazy. So you get 5n really is 200 minus 6. Why am I doing it like this? Kind of makes it really complicated for myself. Maybe I use 10d plus 5n. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, 5n is 200 minus 1.65. Why am I doing this to myself? It's a really big number. Oh, I could also just simplify it to make it easier. Yep, I should do that. You can just do like, because dimes is twice as much as nickels, you can just do divide by 5. Yeah, I really made this really hard for myself. 2d plus n is 13 cents. 15 cents. $0.25. It's not right. 165 divided by 5. And double check this. 10. Sorry about that. It might have been loud. My pen just hit my headphones. I could do 2d plus n is 25 cents? That doesn't sound right. I'm confusing myself. 33 cents. But really? But 2 dimes and 1 nickel is 25 cents. I think I'm making the formula wrong. Wait, how did I get 10d plus 5n? 10 dimes and 5 nickels. Oh, I didn't just solve the problem. 10 dimes is 100. 10 dimes is $1 and 5 nickels is 65 cents. No, it's not. That's 15. Where did I get 10 dimes? 10d, well 10d is 10 cents is 1 dime. And 5 is nickel. And I set it to 1.65. Wait, I'm confusing myself so much. But 2 dimes and 1 nickel is 25 cents. Let me just figure this. Times 20 minus n plus n, 0.33. 40 minus 2n plus n is minus n. N is 7. Which is right. Okay, let me see. I made this really complicated for myself. No, it's right. Oh, yeah. Why I get 25 cents? I mean, you think about it, it's not 25 cents. I got it. Okay. 2d plus n is 33. N is 7. D is 13. Yep. There's an illusion here. Yeah, you plug it back in. 13 plus 7 is 20. If you think about it, 7 nickels is 35 cents. And 13 dollars is $1.65. Okay, yeah, I was on the right track. I was confused because I had the equation 2d plus n is 33 cents. 2 dimes is 20 cents plus 5 is plus 1 nickel is 25 cents. But that's not true. You just follow the equation. It is true, but the system equation is different. Interesting. I was confused why 2d plus n is 33. But 10 dimes is $1. Right? 10 dimes is $1. Plus 5 nickels is 25 cents. So you get $1.25. 10 dimes times 10. Yeah, I got 10d plus 5n. Because a dime is 10 cents. Nickel is 5 cents. And I just divide by 5. Get 2d plus n equals 0.33. Okay, yeah, just follow the equation. Based on the problem, I guess. Okay, that's why. Think about this more. Oh yeah, because if you do 10d plus 5n, it's $1.25. So you think about 10 dimes and 5 nickels. $1. Yeah, okay. Just follow the systems of equations. 2d n plus, yeah, you see on my work, 2d plus n is 33 cents. Or 33. Okay. Yeah, moving on. Checking the work here. 7 nickels is 35 cents. 13 dimes is $1.30. Okay. Moving on to 37. And the area of a rectangle. So area is base times height. I like to draw pictures. Diagonal is 13. Okay, so it's these Pythagorean theorems. Whose width is 12? I know it's 5. I just memorized it. 5, 12, 13 in my head. Double checking it. 5 squared plus 12 squared is 13 squared. 25, 144, 168, 9. Yep. Oh, you want to round it now. Yep, 5 times 12 is 60. Yep. This is 38. 12 times the square of a positive number. 12 times the square of, so let's say x. Positive number is x times the square, 12x squared, is 5 times more. Over 5, I mean. It's 5 times more than 4 times the same number. Twelve times x squared is 5 times more, so I divide by 5. It's 5 times, no, it's 5 more. Oh. Find the number. How did I misread it? Like, it's 5 more. So 12x squared plus 5 equals 4x. 4 times the square of a positive number is 5 more than 4 times the same number. Oh, it's 4x plus 5. So the same number is 4 times, and it's less than 5. It's the 5 less. Let me solve this and read it out to myself. It's only one number. Oh, positive number. It's like word problems. 12x squared is minus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. 3x, 4x. Let's try this. If this works. 3x and 4x. This is just like trial and error. I don't think it works. 1 and 5. So we do 2 and 6. We do 2 and 6 next. Yep, 5 and 1. Do minus 5, negative 10 plus 6, that's negative 4. So you want the positive number. And number 6x minus 5. So 6x equals to 5, 6 is, x is 5, 6. And let's put this back in the thingy. 12 times the square of a positive number, 5, 6. You square it. Is 5 more. Plus 5. The square of a positive number, let's say 5, 6, so it's 25 over 36. You times it by 12. You simplify it. That's 1 3. That's 25 over 3. This number 25 over 3 is 5 more than 4 times the same number. 5 plus 4 times 5 over 6. Oh my god. 5 is 30 over 6. 24. 29/6? What? What's this? (50/6)? 4 times the same number. No, that's right. 4 times 5/6 is 20/6, plus 5 is 50/6. That's right. Interesting. That's 5, 6. I keep saying the number. Double check. Yeah, you just do the 12x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Yep. Keep saying 5, 6, 5, 6. Yeah. English. Fun. Square roots. Yep, I was prepared for this from number 34. That's square root 28. Yeah, square root 75 is 5 times 15, I think. Yeah. Which is 25 times 3. Yeah. You can do that too. 48 is 4. Or it's 16 times 3 also. That works too. Yeah, so you want A and B. Okay. Oh yeah, I just do this. 5 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Oh, don't they add up and be 9 root 3? Oh yes, it does. It does 9 root 3. Double times 75 is 25 times 3 is 4 root 3. Plus 16 times 3 is 4 root 3, 9 root 3. Yep. I really am taking my time. Let's see. A straight line passes through graphing now. So we do y equals mx plus b here. It's been a while since I said that, because the people I tutor already learned this. It's been like a year, I guess. I don't know, yeah. Yeah, okay, so y equals mx plus b. Yep. Find m is the rise over run slope. So you do -14 minus 7 and 5 minus -2. That'll be -21 over 7. So m is -3. And b is the y-intercept. Right, yeah. Or x-intercept. X is 0. So you want to find when x is 0. Oh no, you can just plug it in. You can just plug in numbers in. You can also do that. X, y. Let's say it's x. Let's say y is 7 here. X is -2. So you know b is 1. That's 6. Let's also plug it into that. Let's plug in 5 also, I guess. Double check. -14 plus equals to -15 plus b. So b is also 1 here. y equals to negative 3x plus 1. So, yep. It's like a study session, basically, instead of a test for me. It's good. It's good review. Let me see. A line is defined by the equation 4x minus 3y equals 12. Oh yeah, I was talking about x and y intercepts. Yep. So I just found the y-intercept. Last question was 1. So that's when x is 0. Yep. So when x is 0, 4 times 0 minus 3y equals 12. 3y. Y is negative 4. 0 minus, yeah, you flip it. 3y equals negative 12. Yep, y is negative 4. And then you do the opposite. 4x minus 0 equals 12. So you know x is 3. X is 3 and y is 0. Oh, make this easier. 0, negative 4. X is 3, 0. Y-intercept is when it crosses the y-axis. XY. Write that XY. It's really. Yep. Crosses the y-axis when y is negative 4. Yep, as we found in the equation earlier, and x is 3. And y is 0. Yep. Yep. Graphs 42. Write the equation for the given line in this format. I need to actually see it. So you see here that y is 0 when x is 2. Yep. And x is 0 when y is 3. Just like the last question. No. Wait. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, x, y. Right, x and y. Keep forgetting. Write the equation. Ax plus by equals c. Okay. Huh, okay. So I have 2 points here. Yeah, I can find C, I guess. A. Trying to find A. So you know 2A. You know x is 2. Let's say x, yeah, x 2 comma 0. 2, yeah, so it's finding A, B, C. Alright. Then let's find C first. Alright, so 2. Okay, when you find C first. Okay, so 2 times A plus 0 is C. Yeah. X is 2, y is 0, 2a plus 2a equals C. You can also put 0 comma 3. 0 plus b is, oh, y is 3. 0 plus 3b is C. And you know 2a is free b. Okay, so you know 2a equals free b equals to c. It's like system of equations. You know 2 comma 0, you know 0 comma free. Zero. Yep, 2a equals to free b equals to c. Write the equation for the given line in this format. We'll find the actual numbers. Oh yeah, you do rise over run. Right. Define m. So ax. So a is m. Yeah, because y equals mx plus b. So yeah, let's write as by equals ax plus. It's not right. By equals to negative ax plus c. Yeah. Because you know y equals mx plus b. By is, you subtract ax both sides. Yeah, you have to do, you subtract ax. Yeah, same thing, okay. By equals to negative ax plus c. Write that in that format. Yep, rise over run is, you can do free minus 0. It's also a. Or it's negative a. Or m. Rise over run is free minus 0 and 0 minus 2. Y over x. M is free, negative 3 halves. Yeah, negative 3 halves. So A is 3 halves. Because negative A equals to negative 3 halves. A is 3 halves. So since you know A is 3 halves, you can use 2A, 2 times 3 halves, something is my paper, is C, so you know C is 3. Yep. You know B is 1 because 3B is C. 3B equals to C. So let's write everything together. So you want 3 half x plus y is 3. That's the formula. Plug it in. Plug in 2 in. You get 3 plus 0. 2 and 0 in for x and y, and plug in 0 and 3 for x and y. Yep, that works. 0 plus 3 is 3. Yep, I got it. Box my answer, but I'll just underline it. A is 3 halves. B is 1. C is 3. Or you want me to put 1.5? Because it's not in fraction, okay. And the slope is negative. Why? Yeah, that makes sense. Should I put 1.5? That's not. Why is it? it's, yeah, x is 2, y is 0, that's right, yeah. 1, 2, 3 equals, it runs, or it rises down 3, and then it runs 2. Free half x. Should I just put 1.5? No, I think it's for a 1.5x plus 3. No, wait, no, 1.5x plus 1 plus y is 3. Yeah, I plugged it in and it worked. Let me double check. Three plus 0 is c. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2a 3 has. So 1.5. Is that what you want me to put? Okay, so let me see. This equation 3 half x plus y equals 3. I put in 2 for x. That's 6 over 2. That's 3. But y has 0, that's right. I put in 3 for y. X is 0, that works too. Pretty sure 3 over 2 is 1.5. B is 1, C is 3. Huh. What? There's a negative 3x? Is it negative x? It makes sense because I'm saying y equals, yeah, it makes sense because you write it back in y equals mx plus 3 is negative 3 half x plus 3. X is 2, y is 0, that's right. Just a typo, x is 0, y is 3, that's right. Huh. Let me charge my phone. Why is it saying it's wrong? At this point I already passed the test, but why is it wrong? If I plug in a different point, it might be wrong. If I plug in a different point, oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 4. I see another point. X is 4 and y is 1, 2, 3. Y is negative 3. Let's try 4 and negative 3. X is 4, so that's negative 12 over 2 plus 3. That's negative 6 over. That works too. Negative 6 plus 3. Yeah, that works too. Did I write the answer wrong in fractions? you want me to put 1 and 1/2? One and 1/2 x plus y is 3. Yeah, ax plus by equals c. Ax plus by equals c. Ax plus by is c. Yep. I think I wrote it wrong. Let's see. Oh, I think I wrote. Wait. Confusing myself so much. So I did by equals to c minus ax. It's negative ax plus c, that's the same thing. The formula is y, I got y equals negative 3x, or you could say y equals 3 minus 3/2 x. I'd say it's wrong if I put 3/2 or 1.5 for a. By equals to c minus x. By equals cx. That mom's coming down. By equals c minus x. Yeah. By equals c minus x. Y equals. 有50個問題，係啊 ，50 question。唔係我要做，唔得停。如果我停咧，我唔見晒。Let's see。by c minus x. Why is that? I'm gonna put 1 and 1/2. That's my first guess here. Because 3/2. 1 and 1/2. Yeah. B is 1. C is 3. I plugged in an extra point and it worked. Y equals to negative ax plus c. Yep, that's right. And then I do by plus ax. By plus ax is c. I know b is 1. I know a is 3/2. I know c is 3. I don't know why it's wrong. Okay. half x plus y is c. Let me trace myself. So x and y. X is 2, y is 0. X is 0, y is 3. So I plug that into the ax. A times 2 plus 0 is c. 2a is c. Yep, that's what I got. 2a is c. X is 0. 3b is c. 2a is c, 3b is c. If I just do that, still works. 2a, that's 3 halves. I don't know why this is wrong. It might be a typo on your 2a is 2 times 3 halves, that's 3. So b has to be 1 and c has to be 3. Yeah, that's right. For x, let's say x is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Oh, it is wrong. I see. Okay, 2 times 4. Wait, no. Wait. Oh, yeah, let's use 4 and negative 3. X is 4. Wait, I'm confused. What? Two a equals 3b minus c. 2a equals 3b equals to c. X is 4. Oh, let's try x is 4. X is 4. So that's 4a. 4a. Oh. That is so loud. 4a plus. Sorry about that, my mom is using a blender. Let's see, 4, I can't, x is 4, 4a plus 3b is c. Wait, 4a minus 3b is c. If I use that point. So do 4 times 3 halves, that's 6, minus 3b, 6 minus 3 is 3. I still got that answer. I don't know, 4 times 3 halves minus 3 times 1 is 3. Might be a typo, but yeah, I'll just move on. 12 minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. Minus 3 is 3. Yeah, it works for that point too. Let me check my work. I can show you my work. You can see it. Four. Yeah. I don't know how this is working. Yeah, still got 3. 有一個問題，佢哋話錯吧？我放咗呢度啱，唔知點解錯。仲有7個問題。Oh my god. Yeah, I got it. I got it with 3 points. It worked with 3 points. I don't know why. Is it negative? Is it a typo? Does it work with negative? It doesn't work with negative. So if it's negative, the 8 can't be a negative because it has to be positive. Because you move it to the other side, it's okay. I tried this stance. I tried 1 and 1. I tried 3 halves, 1.5, and 1 and 1 half. 12 over 2, 6, 3. I'll just move on. There might be an error here. I did put 3 halves earlier, it didn't work. Alright, I don't know. We'll go over that one later, or it might be a typo. I tried 3 halves, 3 over 2, I tried 1.5, I tried 1 and 1 half. Alright, oh, this is a circle. You draw the picture. I would draw on the picture, but okay, I just draw another picture. My scrap paper. The radius of the big circle is 6. So I do R equals 6. Or just make a line. This is 6. The diameter of the small circle is 8. Just do R2 on 1. Oh, wait, full question. Radius of big circle is 6. Yep. And the diameter of the small circle is 8 inches. So the radius is 4. None of that matters. Okay. Even when you find the area of the shaded region. Oh, okay. Leave pi in your answer. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. So area of circle is pi r squared. Believe. Yep. So you find the area of the shaded region. You subtract. You find the area of the big circle. do that first. Pi. Area of the big circle is 6. Radius of the big circle is 6 squared. Area shaded AS is the area of the big circle. Subtract the area of the small circle. Which is pi 4 squared, because the diameter is 8, so the radius is 4. So that's 36 pi minus 16 pi. I'll write it out. 36 pi 6 squared, 36 pi minus 4 squared is 16 pi. So you get 20 pi. It's the area of the shaded region. The whole circle is, let me double check. The whole circle is pi 6 squared, so 36 pi. And then you subtract the small circle, 16 pi. You get 20 pi, yep. Next question. Factor completely. Oh yeah, that's fine. If answer A is less than B. Okay. So you want to factor x squared minus 4x minus 12. X squared minus 4x minus 12. You do x. 2 and 6 works. Yeah. Minus 6 plus 2. X squared minus 6x plus 2x is negative 4x minus 12. X is negative 2 and 6. Let's equal to 0. Oh, factor. I just need to factor it completely. I mean, I could consider it equal to 0. Oh, A is... Wait, A is less than B. Oh, okay, that's right. Oh, A and B. A is negative 6. These two. X plus 2, x minus 6. Yep. The correct answer is x minus 6, x plus 2. Yeah, that's right. What do you mean? Is this an extra question? Oh, it's just testing me. X minus x. Yeah, x minus 6. Yep. Correct. Interesting. This question has 2 parts. This is 46. Do not click submit until you have answered both parts. Oh, how do you want me to? Oh, okay. This question has 2 parts. Do not click submit until you have answered both parts. Factor completely. So we do part A. 3ax plus 8b minus 6bx minus 4a. Means that integrate exponents. Okay, yeah, minus 3x. Is that the answer? 3a squared b minus c. Factor completely. Wait, what? why is it? What the first part? Oh, so let's factor out x. Is that what we want to do? X is 3a. X times 3a minus 6b. Oh no, you want me to do one plus 8b minus 4a. I know how to do part B, but what? Factor completely the part A. The 3ax plus 8b minus 6bx minus 4a. What's the 3a and x? Oh, okay. I think so. Wait, I am confused. I could also just do part B first. I'm confused. Part B is x squared plus 4, x squared minus 4, right, x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x squared, 116, yep. And you can factor that out again, x squared, oh, x squared plus 4, right? X squared plus 4 can't be factored, I think. Yeah, just keep it x squared plus 4, and then x squared minus 4 can be factored. X, we call it cube. No, it's not cube, quad. X to the 4 minus 4x squared plus 4x squared is 0 minus 16. Yep. X squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. Oh, wait, I don't actually want it. What do you want my answer to be? I'm not understanding this. Alright, B, I got part B, x squared plus 4 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. I think that's how far you can go. Yeah. Part A, I factor out x, you get 3a minus 6b plus 8b minus 4a, 3a minus 6b. Did I factor out a also? Looks like 49 when we write 4a. Okay. Can factor out a and b also if that's what I'm saying. I'm just gonna leave it x times 3a plus 6. I'm gonna put that in first, I guess. X times 3a minus 6b. This can't be the answer. B minus 4a. Y x. If I can't factor out a because it's with x, or I can do another one with a. Is 3x minus 4 plus b 8 minus 6x. Oh, is that one? Into 3ax minus 4a, yep, plus 8b minus 6x. There are two ways of doing this. This one looks better. Then we factor out a and b and x. Yeah. Alright, then you set it equal to 0 and then complete. You want this 3ax minus 4a plus 8ba minus 6x. Alright, I just go with that answer. Wait. Did I just write both answers? Or did I write a? I'm just gonna write the answer. And then space it out. 3x minus 4 a times 3x minus 4 plus b times a times 3x minus 4 plus b times 8 minus 6x. I think that's can't get more simple than that. And then the next one is x squared plus 4 space and there's not space. X plus 2 x minus 2. Oh, okay, I just submitted it. That's alright. We'll go to the next question. 3x minus 4. Where's the plus? A times 3x minus 4 plus b times 8 minus 6x. Wait, that's not the right x. A times 3x minus 4 plus b times 8 minus 6x. Where's the thing on here? X squared plus 4 x plus 2 x minus 2. Can't simplify anymore. Hopefully I'm still streaming. Yes, I am. Recording, okay. Yeah. Could live with AB. Don't want to like confuse you. Yeah. Yeah. So next question. 47. Simplify. For example, 2x squared minus 3 compared to this. Did I mark it as right or? Don't know until I reveal it. Simplify it. Is that a multiply? Yes, multiply. What's this? 2x squared. Got it. Alright, so x times x plus 1 on the top. X squared times x squared minus 1 on the bottom. So you get x squared plus x cubed minus x squared. That's that. I'm missing something here. X squared plus x on the top. X times x plus 4x. X times x plus 1 is x squared plus x. Divided by x to the 4th minus x squared. Oh, I can also do okay, I see here. X plus 1, x minus 1. This is x squared minus 1 on top. Okay, I see. Yeah, oh, okay, I see what's happening here. Okay.
x squared minus 1 is x plus 1 times x minus 1. As much of this minus x. Yep. X plus 1 cancels out, and 1 of the x's cancels out. So you're left with 1 over x times x minus 1, or I guess you should do 1 over x squared minus x. Actually, it works, okay. Oh, yeah. X squared x plus 1 x cubed minus x. Same thing. Yeah, I factor out an x if I did this last time. Oh yeah, same thing. Okay, yeah. 1 over x squared. Cancel out x, you leave an x in the bottom. Cancel out x plus 1, you get x plus 1. Yep. So, let's see. How do I write this? 1 over x minus x. Right, so 1. Where's this dash? Well, x squared, 1 over x squared minus x. Right? 1 over x squared minus x. Yep. Yeah. What number is this? 48. Alright, do it here. Simplify this. Okay, so 2x plus 4. I mean, I can right off the bat do factor out the 2 already. I factor out the 2 out before doing this division. It's just x plus 2. Yeah. Yep. X plus 2. X plus 2 divided by x over x squared. When you divide something, you can just flip it. Okay, get how this works. If you do like 5 divided by 1/3, that's 5 times 3. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's kind of tricky. Okay, yeah. So you just flip it, and then I wrote x as multiply. So now I'm confusing myself. Oh, x squared. I mean, just divide by 1 over x. Yeah, it's like 1 over 3. You can also factor this one out. It's just 1 over 3. 1 over x. Right here. I'm just confusing myself here. X over x squared is just 1 over x. Or times x. Right, yeah. So it's just x times x plus 2. X squared plus 2x. Or do you want to fact? I don't know. They're both the same. X times x plus 2 or x squared plus 2x. Yeah. Is that right? X plus 2 divided by 1 over x. It's just times x. Let's see, x squared plus 2x. Or x times x plus 2. You can put in a number in case. Let's put 1 in. That's 1 plus 2 is 3. That's 3. And then here you just do 6 divided by 2. Yeah. Seems right. Or you put 2 in. 2 cubed is 4. Plus 4 is 8. So 2 in here is 8 divided by 4 is 4. Divided by a half. That's also 8. Yeah. Okay. 4 divided by 1/2. Yeah. It's 4 times 2. Yep. So x cubed plus 2x. Let's give a space. Yeah, because they did it here. Yeah. Which is x times x plus 2. Yep. So just want me to simplify. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is the question. How do you hear about Ivy? Let's see. Maybe I have friends that work here, but I'm not sure. How do you hear about Ivy Math? Let's see. What applies there? School job board. It's other. Consider. Yeah, because I heard it from one of the hiring managers. His name is Seth Chang. I think that's his name. Yeah, and then Mathnasium. Let's see, yeah, Mathnasium referred me to him. So that would be other. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Congratulations, Andrew. You passed. Final step. 90%, I'll take it. Passing scores is 90%. Oh, okay. Interesting. Final step is please click this link to read instructions on submitting your test results. Passing is 90. Okay. That's a. Ooh. Well, you need to get an A to pass. B is a fail. That's like Asian parents basically have expectations to get all A's. No B plus or B's.